Hello everyone, welcome to the Finding Silence YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of meditation. Imagine this: a quiet room, the soft hum of nature in the background, and you, comfortably seated, ready to embark on a journey within. Close your eyes and take a gentle, deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs and the tranquility washing over you. Now let's transport ourselves to a lush green forest. Picture the sunlight filtering through the leaves, casting a warm golden glow. Listen to the gentle rustling of the trees, the chirping of birds, and the distant sound of a babbling brook. Allow these sounds to envelop you, guiding you deeper into a state of relaxation. Take another deep breath. As you exhale, feel yourself becoming one with this peaceful environment. Visualize roots extending from your body, grounding you to the earth, connecting you to the energy of nature. Let this connection bring you a sense of calm and stability. Now focus on the sensation of your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the rhythm of life within you. With each inhale, draw in positivity and light. With each exhale, release any tension or negativity. Let go of anything that no longer serves you. Picture a serene beach at sunset. The sky painted in hues of pink and orange, the waves gently lapping at the shore. Feel the soft sand beneath you, grounding you further. Allow the soothing sounds of the ocean to carry away any lingering stress. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice how peaceful and centered you feel. This is the power of meditation, a moment of stillness in a chaotic world. As we conclude this meditation, take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace and calm with you. Remember, this tranquility is always within reach. You need only to pause and breathe. Thank y'all for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more from Finding Silence. Until next time, stay grounded, stay present, and keep breathing. Namaste.